Hey traders, what's up? Quick PayPal trade review video here. This will be released on YouTube for free, so you guys can look at this whenever you want. Basically, going to be doing this a little bit more different. Going to be doing it in a back trading sort of environment. So I've got trading view on the right hand side of the screen, and I will be clicking the fast forward button for each candle and basically just defining each candle and what my mind was interpreting at them very moments of when I did short the trade. I shorted the trade pretty early. As you can see on the left hand screen, this is my Discord channel. This is where I alerted it. I said shorting PayPal at 8:06:40 and the time was around 13 minutes past the open, so 9:43 it was. So let's just get into this trade real quick. This is currently the prior day. As you can see, prior day, super choppy, still downtrending. Yeah, you know, PayPal was just getting hit really bad. So if we skip one bar, and one thing I just want to say, for starters, I trade on the 1 minute chart when it's the opening bell. So in the first 15 minutes, I always use the 1 minute. Some people might think that's a little bit weird, but it works for me, and I am profitable from using the 1 minute on the daily chart. So as you can see, PayPal gaps down massively to this 8,718 level, which is basically this prior level just down here. Just want to make you guys aware of that. The first 1 minute candle comes in, you know, it's super bullish, right? Everyone's thinking, right, alright, maybe, you know, this gap down is just gonna keep going up, but quite frankly, that is the short covering candle. That is the shorts taking profits, making the price rise. Right, so we go next candle. I'm still like, you know, pretty good candle, bit of consolidation inside the previous bar. You know, I'm still just watching this one. There's nothing really too special going on. And then we gap down, and now I'm just like, right, okay, this thing's, you know, it's bound to be a short. You know, it's through this 8,718 level as well. So at this moment in time, I was just looking for an entry, and that is basically what I did. So I go next candle. Still, always, actually, one thing I want to make clear, I enter on a bullish candle. I always enter on a bullish candle if I'm going short. And if I'm going long, I always enter on a bearish candle. That's just how it is. That's just how I trade. But yeah, let's get into this video. Currently, just under VWAP still. No sign of reversal yet. We have our first sign of reversal here. Bullish candle, little spinning top, under VWAP. You know, you could go short here, but I just waited, particularly because I wanted to see a little bit of a retracement. I wanted to see some shorts taking profits, to see something along the lines of that. Right, and that is literally what we saw. So we go next candle, breaking down below again. You know, you could have shorted with stop loss just above. It would have worked perfectly on the 1 minute, but I didn't take this exit or entry. Sorry. Honestly, I'm not really too sure why. I really should have done, or I should really took off this. I really should have took this entry. What I meant to say, but instead I entered a few more bars down, and it was, if I just draw it on quickly, so I remember where exactly I actually entered. So I entered here on this black line, right? So again, if you are in short, congrats, you're making good profits here. Spinning top, bearish candle, bit of indecision here. Want to see more breakdown? Again, we break down, and now we're coming into this 8,345 level. We're basically testing this level. We got a nice doji, so we're looking for this retracement. We are now looking for this S curve to carry us, and that is where we entered. So we go up. We've got a little bit here. Candle overtakes the previous candle. Higher volume on the bullish side as well. So it looks like people are starting to take profits. Next candle comes in. Classic short covering. As you can see, we didn't actually close above this recent high as well from this zone, and that is basically, or we're nearing where I enter. Also 10 EMA coming in. Bearish candle underneath 10 EMA. So yeah, we are looking to enter here. We did actually enter at 840. Which is just here, so I'm pretty, yeah, we did actually enter on this candle. Main reason was because we've got a bearish candle here, inside bar on the previous day, and it is just the classic S curve. If I can make this bigger, I don't know why I just had it so small. It is the classic S curve, just retracing. I think that's a 50% retracement as well. As you can see, 50% retracement. That's the perfect entry, and I entered at 840 on this trade, as you can see here on the left-hand side of PayPal. My stop loss was at 870, which is just this level right here, where I can find it, just here. Right, I basically just made my stop loss here because I knew for a fact, I don't know, sometimes you just know, sometimes you get that that feeling, that gut feeling that you just know that price isn't going to reverse. And quite frankly, this is the moment where I knew. So if we go on my short tracker here, say that I did enter here, stop loss was here, and you can see that my targets were here. So I've got 8535, which is just level just here. So we've got a 1.4 RR trade on this one. 1435. No, that is not the level. My bad. 1435 is just here. Wait, where am I going? 1535. Yeah, so the level just here, right? God, my bad, guys. That's a 0.8 R trade. Obviously, terrible RR there. But I did actually take some off just because we actually broke the lower day. And then my next one was 85, so it's quite a way down on the next scale. So we're looking at around a 1.10 RR. But obviously, I did actually reduce my stop loss, so you could say I tightened the risk quite a bit. Because I did actually eventually move it above this pivot, so that only gave me a roughly 30-cent spread to control. So nothing really major on the old PayPal. But anyways, let's get into this video. I keep going on track. I'm so sorry, guys. So entry signals, basically the S curve. You're seeing the price come up 50%, obviously. And then you're getting in short as you do see this bearish rejection candle. So if we go to the next candle, let me tell you what I see. So now I see a doji. Now I'm seeing possibly, you know, I mean the volume's still super low on the bullish side, so I'm not really taking anything into account. It's just a bit of an ignored candle. Still underneath VWAP, still underneath the 10 EMA on this 1 minute chart, so still super bearish on the trade. And then bang, we get a confirmation again, lower volume on the bearish side, so it doesn't take much for these shorts to do anything right now. So we are still waiting for more pain, right? Yeah, another candle comes in, lower volume. And until we close below this 8545 level, that is when I'll stop the video. So we keep going, you know, still fading. Get another bullish candle here. Maybe people are starting to take profits, but we are still underneath 10 EMA, and this is a bullish candle, so you could end up shorting this with a stop loss just below this recent pivot. That is another thing you could have done, another setup you could have taken. Now it's quite interesting here. We've got a bullish candle with higher volume, so it does look like buyers are trying to step up here. But then again, a bearish candle steps in with super high volume, so you know, it just tackles the bulls, and it just looks like from here out we're just going to keep on going down. If I do a few more clicks, here we go, keep on breaking down, testing the support, and now we are through this level and we just continue to fade all day. So one thing I just want to demonstrate in this video, or for you guys to take back, this is basically how I enter a stock. So if I'm trying to short, I want to see a gap down. Can't spell, sorry. One, I want to see a gap down. Two, I want to see price reject. When it comes into like the S curve, so price reject the 50% fib, right? I mean, some people also use the 68 or 61.8% fib. So you could always do that for a deep pullback on the short side. If I just pull this over here, right, and then 3. I mean that, you know, you could use the 21/10 EMA, and then you want price to be under that. So they are basically some of my 3 criteria for going short on a stock. Now obviously, you know, the main things are that if the stock is down bad, like down huge, and you know, you're shorting it for a tiny RR because there's just a little bit of support underneath, then obviously you're not going to take that. I literally only took PayPal because there was quite a bit of there was quite a lot of room on this trade. For example, if I did hold, I would have made a good killing on this one for several days, but I didn't actually swing. I just day traded this one. But if I just go off the replay quickly, you can see. So this is the candle we traded, and it actually went all the way down to fill this gap around 80.20. So you could have made an absolute killing, an absolute $6 plus trade on this one. But yeah, so that's basically it for this video. Hope this comes in handy. I will do a lot more of these, and I will try and shorten these down because this was quite a long video. I kind of went on a few tangents in this one, but we'll obviously shorten them down as the days go on. So without further ado, make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.